I just built a professional 10-slide business deck in exactly 47 seconds. No PowerPoint, no designers, and zero copy pasting. Here's the exact workflow I used on Gamma AI. First, go to Gamma the app and hit Create New. Don't start from scratch. Select Generate and then click Presentation. Here's the secret. Instead of a vague title, type a detailed prompt like a 10-slide pitch deck for a plumbing and drainage company, focusing on AI-driven site inspections. In 3 seconds, Gamma spits out an outline. You can drag these around or add a specific slide like procurement, ADAs, or safety KPIs. Once you're happy with the flow, hit Continue. Now, pick a theme. You don't have to worry about fonts or colors. Gamma's one-click styling handles the branding.